First of all, let's introduce myself. My name is Mrs.James+Saleina. I'm the brother of the group. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much. Now let's go ahead and let's welcome in the bridal party. But prior to that, I would like to welcome the parents of the bride. I would like to apologize for today. I would like to say we always go stop one time. But since we are a lot later than that, this must be Hawaiian time. Sorry, Ray, I just had to throw that in. But we are all here to celebrate Saleina and James Aiono's wedding. Everyone, please give them a hand. What a beautiful day it was to witness them get sealed for all time and eternity. And I can tell you that they are going to make a great couple, and then maybe even parents 9 months from now. Let's go ahead and let's welcome in the wedding party. But I mean, it's like this too. First of all, I'd like to welcome in Ray and Liz Pedro. Everyone, please give them a Following them will be the parents of the groom, Salute and Now I'd like to welcome in the flower girl. First, I'd like to bring in Kalia Onalani Awelua and Iona Pedro. And then we're going to go on to the wedding party. First, I would like to welcome in Saleina Aiono and Kelly Pedro. Lovely couple Aiono. Yes, we decided to give her 2 partners because she's too much to handle. And then I'd like to bring in Saleina Aiono being escorted by Justin Aiono. Following them will be Jasmine Palena, escorted by Michael Aiono. And we have Pagilima Tapafua, escorted by Jamie and Mama. Following them, we have Courtney Aiono, escorted by Pua Maleao. Followed by Leilani Pedro, escorted by Christian Aiono. And of course, we have Audrey Tateoli, escorted by Father Mo Aiono.
Go, Mrs.
Now we're about to bring in the best man in the maid of honor. Fresh out of his mission, first time ever having a girl in his arms. We have Mrs. Aiono and Kealoha Pedro. Everyone, please give a hand for our wedding party. ask everyone to please rise as we bring in the bride and groom.
Oh, okay. Okay, never mind.
And now, I would like to welcome in our newlyweds. We have Saleina and James Aiono. Everyone, please.
Go Saleina!
Now we'd like to go right into their first dance with the music provided by James Brothers, Vincent and James Aiono. And Christian, sorry. You may all be seated. Thank you.
Lead me on, girl, if you must. Take my heart and my love, and take of me all that you want. And if there's a thing that you need, I give you the breath that I breathe. And if ever you yearn for the love in me, whenever, whatever, whatever, baby, and wish I knew if I could be the one that you love forever and a day, baby. And if there's a thing that you need,
Vincent, also Christian. James, I'm not happy that you didn't dip her like how we practiced last night. But thank you very much. You guys can be seated.
Okay.
And thank you.